Welcome to our new video. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subfield of artificial intelligence that focuses on the development of algorithms and models that can learn from and make predictions or decisions based on data, without being explicitly programmed. It is based on the idea that a computer program can automatically learn from the data it is exposed to and make intelligent decisions or predictions based on that data. In machine learning, the model is trained on a dataset, and the algorithm updates the model parameters to minimize the error between the predictions made by the model and the actual outcomes. The goal is to create a model that can generalize well to new, unseen data. There are three main types of machine learning. Supervised learning. This involves training a model on labeled data, where the correct output is provided for each example. The model then makes predictions on new, unseen data. Unsupervised learning. This involves training a model on unlabeled data, and the model must discover patterns and relationships in the data on its own. Reinforcement learning. This involves training a model through trial and error, where the model receives feedback in the form of rewards or penalties for its actions and uses this feedback to improve its performance over time. Machine learning is used in a wide range of applications, including image and speech recognition, natural language processing, recommendation systems, and predictive analytics, among others.